Good evening, guys. Thanks for joining this session. I'm Javed from Redington Pre-Sales for Trend Micro. So today's session, I hope you can see my screen. The Trend Micro Cloud Workload Security products, Cloud Workload Protection product called Deep Security. So currently, we renamed that Deep Compliance and everything. Every model will be covered in this session. So currently, this is the world-based comprehensive platform. Also be done in one central management console. And let's see about the overview of cloud market. Currently, the IaaS is growing at 22% per year, and it will reach up to $88.4 billion in 2023 as per the Gartner. And in serverless environment, by 2021, 90% of enterprises will be using IaaS and will also use some serverless platform as a service in production, which is up from 10%. So there is lots of expectations on the cloud market, and they are expecting it will grow 22.2% annually till 2023 and reach $88 billion. And the container market also, it's growing. The container related things, 35% of organization using container by 2019 in production. So the serverless environment and DevOps operations leads to the increase in the container usage also. So 35% of organization using container by 2019 in production. And cloud market by 2022 will be $331 billion, and they are expecting the growth at the rate of annual growth at the rate of 16% as per the Gartner. So there is lots of opportunity in the cloud market, and you can see the exploding set of cloud infrastructure services as well. So this is given in thousands, and you can see the 25,000 services which is released in 2013 in AWS, and now it is releasing more than now they are releasing the services more than 1 lakh per year. So it means there is lots of use cases, lots of opportunities on the cloud, and this is not only happening in AWS, with all other the multi-cloud environment with GCP, with Oracle, with Azure, everywhere it is happening. So as per the Gartner, 95% of breaches and the threats happening in the cloud is due to the application misconfigurations only. So if you are not properly visible the traffic, or not configuring it properly, then if you are not doing the security posture check, the compliance, the assurance, if you are not checking this properly, it will lead to the breaches. And as per the Gartner, 95% of breaches in cloud is happening due to application misconfigurations. And server workloads in hybrid data centers spanning private and public workloads require a protection strategy different from end user facing devices. So we can't just configure the complaints model or DLP model like what we are configuring in workstations related things. So the whatever the anti-malware or endpoint security or the workstation protection strategy, whatever we are doing in the on-prem, it will not be applicable for server workloads. And for the cloud, it is entirely different. So the deep security, the previously we called this platform as deep security. So this platform we used in on-prem, and the cloud level is completely different. And with the on-prem platform, there won't be any automated things are required. Maybe the provisioning in private workloads, or security in private workloads like VMware or VMware infrastructure. These things, Hyper-V infrastructure will require some automated security. but in the cloud, it should be like the automation is everywhere. In DevOps process, there is completely automation is required, and with lots of other services also, the workload security automation is required for provisioning the systems, for decommissioning the systems, and the developers will be will be running the code, and it will be coming across the different, in the DevOps environment. There will be different business team, and different team will be involved, starting from the development team, the business use case, the technical use case, and lots of other teams will also be involved in this. And whenever they are testing any codes into this platform, they can't check the security for each and every version when compiling the codes. It will be very difficult. There will be lots of security related loopholes also there. So we need the automated security when testing these DevOps development related operations on the cloud. And security and risk management leaders should evaluate and deploy offerings specifically designed for cloud security posture management. So cloud security posture management is very important because it can remediate the application misconfiguration issues and everything. And these workloads will require configuration controls and visibility into the environment. So this is the survey conducted by Trend Micro team with the CXO level executives and everyone. So the question is, what are all your biggest pain points around cloud services? So 69% of respondents click that option called ensuring the security of cloud workloads. So ensuring the security of cloud workloads is the challenging task, and with a single comprehensive technology is what everyone requires, and they are facing the challenges with that particular thing, the cloud workload protection. And creating and implementing business aligned security strategies is also very difficult, and managing identities and access. So I am this identity and access management also very difficult there in the cloud, and managing incident response. So lots of CXO levels executives, they click these options, the ensuring the security of cloud workloads, establishing actionable performance and risk metrics, and the identity and access management, managing the incident response, maturing vulnerability management capabilities. So all these functionalities, whatever you can see here, these are all the current biggest pain points for the cloud services, and some of these things are related to on-prem as well. So all these things, the customer can't leverage different solutions, security solutions, to get rid of these challenges. They will need, the customer will require one comprehensive platform which can resolve all these pain points, all these challenges on the cloud. And what are you doing for visibility into cloud services? This is also another survey conducted by Trend Micro with the CXO level executives, and 42% 42% of respondents selected the option using existing cloud service provider tools. So currently, lots of cloud architects, the security architects, everyone using the native security tools that is inbuilt in AWS, Azure, and GCP, Oracle platforms. And the reason for that is they don't find out the comprehensive platform yet for the cloud workload security. So here the more than 10% saying there is no visibility at all, and 30% seeing some limited visibilities, and 19% using an existing cloud security posture management tool. So nobody is using the comprehensive platform as of now. As per the IDC report, the Trend Micro has 38% of market share, and they want to they want they want to become even stronger, and they want to hold the more market share. That's why they acquired the company called Cloud One Conformity, and we have renamed the Deep Security as a service product to the Cloud One Workload Security. And um, and after that, not only in cloud workload security things, we have other security models like container security, application security, file storage security, conformity, which is for complaints and security posture management, and we have network security as well, which is tipping point as a service on the cloud. So we have all these functionality, all these security services platforms for the cloud builders, which is a comprehensive platform and a cloud native SaaS based platform with the most expensive set of cloud security services. And uh, and uh, the workload security you can see here, that is previously called as deep security as a service. And we have container security. You may be doing the deep security smart checkup on the container, so to resolve the container level vulnerabilities. Now it comes in separate platform, and application security is there, and file storage security. So we have the advanced anti-malware check, and it can find out the vulnerabilities, and known threats and unknown threats, even undisclosed threats can also be found out using these ZDI platform, leveraging the our zero day initiative platform, which is Trend Micro platform, who are contributing more than 65% of vulnerabilities happening across the world. And uh, and conformity is very important model, because it is taking care of security posture management and complaints and everything. It has more than 6,000 pre-built templates and pre-built rules. It will check against everything and it will actively monitor all the cloud workloads against all the misconfigurations and whatever going on in the cloud. And whenever any kind of misconfiguration detected, the service will collect the details, and it will automatically remediate that, or manually remediate based on the steps it can provide it to the security administrators. And network security model also there, which is called a tipping point as a service. And uh, and uh, this is the industry-based IPS platforms, and it can complement the firewall available on the cloud, and it can inspect all the traffic to the VPC. So if you take the total cost of ownership comparing to any firewall, that tipping point is very best, because you don't need separate appliance, separate VM appliance, virtual appliance for all the other VPCs. The one appliance can inspect all the traffics which are destined to the VPC. And cloud workload security also there. And this is why we called it as comprehensive platform, the world best comprehensive platform. Previously, you have seen that in the previous slide there are lots of challenges in the current cloud services are listed, and lots of CXO level executives, they selected some options like there is no visibility, limited visibility, using the cloud native control is difficult, and lots of other things are there, challenges are there. With this complete comprehensive platform, we can resolve all the issues happening in the cloud. So the main benefit of this platform, it is mentioned here. So it is single sign-on. You just need to sign on in one single console, where you can get all the access, all the services access, container security, application security, file storage, conformity, network security, workload security. Every module you can access it in one single console. And common user and cloud account enrollment. one account will be required, and it can take care of the cloud as well as the security, and one place for visibility. So if you are using the AWS native security tools, or any other the multi-cloud platform, the native security tools, you won't get the comprehensive platform. The visibility is distributed across all the managed platforms, and it will be very difficult to get into these root cause analysis, or the breaches, or any threats happening in the workloads. With Trend Micro Cloud One things, it is better than the native platforms, native security controls, because you have the comprehensive platform with all the security controls, and you will get the complete visibility in one place, one dashboard, and common support and documentation, expandable platform, common procurement and billing. These are all some of the benefits of these Trend Micro Cloud One as the comprehensive platforms. And inside that, lots of other benefits also there. Within workload security only, there are 7 modules which will take care of your complete cloud workload environment. So it has the inspection module, and which will take care of the log inspection coming from all the softwares. It acts like the Windows Event Manager, and it is more than that, because collecting the logs from all the applications whatever running on the servers. And we have virtual patching capability in that is one of the main feature to detect to prevent against the undisclosed vulnerabilities, and with leveraging the zero-day initiative platforms, the team which is contributing the zero-day vulnerabilities. And we have advanced anti-malware inspection, and ransomware attack prevention, and web reputation check, and application control, and all these things are available with the cloud workload security. So if you've gone through the Gartner report called Cloud Workloads Protection Report, the Gartner report is there. You can Google it and check. There are 27 controls recommended by the Gartners, and out of that, 7 core controls are listed by the Gartners in order to safeguard the cloud workloads. So out of that, Trend Micro is the only vendor supporting 7 out of 7 controls, the maximum controls supported by the only one vendor. They only mentioned it in the Gartner report, the Trend Micro name. And out of the 27 additional controls, Trend Micro has 25 controls. So Trend Micro is the only vendor out of all the vendors who is supporting the maximum controls whatever recommended by the Gartner for the cloud workload security. And you will get what you will get with the Cloud One Conformity. You will get the real-time visibility into security and compliance and governance, vulnerability on cloud, public cloud infrastructure, step-by-step remediation guides, automated approach to prevent security for continuous assurance. So this we are talking about only the conformity things, which is related to the current webinar. The cloud misconfiguration, and how we can prevent the breaches happen by using the Trend Micro products. So this Cloud One Conformity is one of the module. So along with that, all other six security modules are there, like application security, workload security, and everything is there. So conformity is taking care of visibility into security, the compliance and governance. So it is taking care of security posture management as well. So you will get complete remediation steps in case of any complaints, mismatch, or any kind of security posture issues. And they have the automatic remediation things also, as well as the manual remediation steps also available. And it will provide you the step-by-step to resolve the complaints issues. And single pane of glass dashboard, full and clear visibility of the entire cloud infrastructure, continuous checks against compliance standard and security best practices, extensive reporting capabilities. and this you won't get it in any other native controls of cloud platforms like AWS native security controls or Azure native security controls. You won't get these details. And prevention and automation. So this is also one of the main thing. The SIFT security and compliance layer, template scanning, powerful API integration. This is also some of the advantage of cloud on security. And how it can do the remediation. You can the cloud one conformity model can remediate in two ways, either the automatic way or self-healing capabilities also available, and manual remediation steps also there. So there are 600 plus rules, we can call it as templates with actionable steps. So in case of any complaints issues, it will show you the step-by-step procedure to remediate. And real-time monitoring and alerts also there. And it is a well-architected framework. Evaluate how well an architecture is aligned to AWS best practices and automate the collection of data to augment the well-architected review. So this kind of well-architected framework is very important because, as I said before, 95% of application misconfiguration is happened. The breaches have happened due to the application misconfiguration, and this well-architected framework then can resolve the issues in the application configurations and everything. So this is about the Cloud One, the brief introduction about the Cloud One platform. And the Trend Micro Cloud One includes all the functionalities, whatever available for the, whatever required for the cloud builders. It has all the functionalities. And in case if you want any POCs or if you have any inquiries, you can reach out to me. We will be happy to assist you in case of POC or deep technical discussions or anything. Thanks for joining the session. If you have any inquiries, you can check with me now. I'm providing my contact details to you. You can reach out to me in case of